Hi guys, thank you all for watching and welcome back to Sewing Lara. Today we're gonna make together denim feathers, so let's jump right into it. Depending on the layout of the denim, the feathers will be either light or dark. So either you position your feathers horizontally or vertically. I always draw the shape of the feathers with sewing crayon on the denim fabric. I cut the feathers out. And then I either use the side seam as the center, or I make a line in the center as a guide for sewing. In that case, I go to my sewing machine and I sew through the line with a dense zigzag stitch to have a solid base for the feathers. I make sew-ups or knots at the ends. And then it is all simply fraying out towards the seam. I like helping myself with a pin. I always grab a maximum of 2 lines of thread that I am pulling out. I find that taking my time is the better way than pulling too many rows at the same time, because they usually end up getting tangled, and you don't want that. When I am done fraying, I cut any threads sticking out around the edges if necessary. And that is all that there is to it. Super simple. If you don't have a sewing machine, just hand sew the center with chain stitch. Check out my hand sewing courses in the video description if you need to. Use the side seam if you can, it definitely makes things faster and easier. And here you have all the different sizes and styles I made today. I used all these feathers specifically for my new tote bag. Tutorial and sewing pattern for this tote bag is coming soon. And if you are watching sometimes in the future, there will be already a link in the video description. Denim feathers are super easy to make and they are a lot of fun. You can place them on whatever item you want to kind of spice up. So I like having them on chokers, like the one that I'm wearing right now. I have a tutorial for this choker, so I'll link it down below. Or you can use them on a bag, like I did on this wonderful upcycled denim tote bag. It's a project that I filmed for you, so there's gonna be soon a tutorial and the sewing pattern, and look at that, it's really cute. It definitely creates a nice detail, or you can just make a simple grouping like I did here, and then you can add a few beads and you put it on a safety pin, and you could pin it on any outfit where you feel like it needs a little bit more detail but you don't want to have it permanent, or on a hat, I don't know. You name it, you know, it's up to you wherever you find denim feathers pretty. It's all about personal preference and personal taste. And that is gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed our today's quick tip video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys very much and see you soon with my next project. Bye.